Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Love Me Hair wig install. By the way, you guys, this wig is currently on sale. I'm literally looking at the website right now. They're having a Black Friday sale, and I do have a discount code, which is SE32. S as in Sam, E as in Eric, and the numbers 3 and 2. Okay, I'll have it in the description box as well. But anyways, the wig that I'm showing you guys today is their all day comfort fit wig. It is a 4C kinky edge, kinky straight, glueless, 7x6 lace closure, HD lace, 100% human hair wig. Now, as you guys can see, the wig looks extremely natural, and this is very beginner friendly because it does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Like I said, it is HD. That's what they're promoting. So it really comes ready for you to go. You can just restyle it however you choose. And of course, those 4C edges that they added on just kind of really helps to make the lace blend in a lot better and just really look even more natural. This wig is also 180% density, in case I did not mention that earlier. And as far as the inches that I got, I do not remember, but I will have it in the description box down below. It looks like I maybe got like 22 inches or something like that. But anywho, as you can see, I am just blending in those edges with the rest of the hair. Now, even though it is like a 4C type of thing going on here, it does have like a little bit of a curl pattern. So I really do kind of need to straighten that out just a little bit to match the rest of the hair. And I'll be doing that with using, you know, my comb, my wax stick, and my hot comb per the usual. I'm also going in with the middle part today, but remember you guys, this is a 7x6 lace closure. So if you prefer to go in with a side part or where have you, you can definitely do so. Okay, you don't have to do exactly what I do, but I'm just showing you guys a close-up of that lace. This is what it looks like with no product, but I will be adding my own lace melting spray and some more foundation as well, just to help the lace blend in a lot better. And while I was letting the lace do its thing, I went ahead and I styled the rest of the hair. So I did one side off camera, but I decided I wanted to go ahead and just add a little bit of curls, especially towards the end. So that is what I'm doing. The hair took to the heat extremely well, you guys. It curled very well. I didn't have any like crazy smell. I didn't have any crazy tangling nor shedding, and I just really feel like the hair was very fluffy, very flowy. You could definitely tell she's 180% density, and I really feel like they did a really good job, not only with the quality of the hair but the lace as well. And of course that wig cap was nice and light and breathable. So after I took off the elastic band, this is what the lace is looking like, you guys. Again, those kinky edges are there as well, and it really helps everything to look nice and natural and cohesive. And that is all that I did for today's look. Again, it's a kinky straight, so if you would prefer to keep it straight, you're more than welcome to. I really just like to test it out to see how well it curls, and it did a really good job. I will definitely have all of the information listed in the description box down below. Please remember to use my discount code SE32 and go ahead and get you this wig. There's a lot of sales going on right now at the moment, and then my discount code is a plus. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time.